Welcome. In this video, we will be using the LockTech HU100 Ignition Removal Tool version 3. This tool was developed to remove the ignition in the off position in GM vehicles using the newer HU100 keyway.
Honestly, at first I hated this tool. It took a while to get used to. I spent time on this job trying again and again. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. You need to hold the tool just right. Pay close attention to the motion, and you should be able to replicate it. It may look easy in this video, but honestly it took several attempts to get to where I could remove it quickly. Thanks for watching.